Game number 4. Rebound by Alvin. Alvin to Brian. Kapos. Rebound ni Big J. Bon sa may kaliwa. Pinasa up. Outside. Okay, ini-inbound agad. Eto na sila. Nakay Chris. Chris goes all the way. Wala. Rebound by BJ. BJ outlet pass to Jow. Jow running the floor. Jow against Alvin. Wala. Rebound Cray. Cray to Brian. Brian. Kay Chris. Castle. Chris Castle wala pa rin. BJ 3 rebounds agad. Si Boss BJ. Nakay Jow. Jow sa left side. Jow. Binigay kay BJ. BJ, balikin dyan. Lapit ako ng bola. Naipasa. Naipasa kay Bon. Nakay Alan ngayon. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jow. Jow sa offensive end. Wala pa rin. Christian naman. Defensive rebound. Okay. Christian pa rin. Christian. 15 seconds to shoot. Christian off the glass is good. Assist by Castle. Chris Castle. Short, rebound nakuha ni Big J pa rin. Big J with his own attempt. Bang! 2 points ni El Capitan. Brian for 3. No good. Tapik ng bola. Tapik ka ng bola. Nakuha ni Janray. Janray pa rin. Janray all the way. To Jow. Naku, tapik. Rebound nakuha ni Alvin. Alvin settles down the offense. Alvin goes to the free throw line. Bang! That's his shot. He took that one with confidence, mga kaibigan. Alright. 10 seconds on the shot. Na kay Alan. Alan to Bon. Bon goes left. And he scores the basket. Assist by Alan. 2 dribbles. 15 seconds on the clock. Stop it. Same tayo, same. Sige. Na kay Castle. Kick out pass kay Cray. Cray for 3. Wala, rebound. Makuha ni Alan. Alan. Pinig yung outlet pass. Binigay kay Jow sa kaliwa. Jow to Alan. Alan to Bon. Bon goes baseline. Wala. Alan, offensive rebound. Wala. Rebound ako ni Bry. Bry, sasalaksak. And he scores. All the way sa kanya lahat yun. Ang ganda na pasahan. Alan to Bon. Nice passing and good scoring. 6-all. Nakay Chris. 8 seconds to shoot. Steal ni BJ. Jow, nilapit na. Yes, kanya lahat yun. 8-6. Nakay Cray navigating. Nakakawan sa likod. Nakay Jow. Jow with the steal. Jow to Janray. Janray goes middle. And he was fouled. Dinig mga kaibigan. Oras natin ay 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock resets to 14 seconds. John to Bon for the 3. Wala, rebound. Makukuha ni Brian. And Brian will go all the way. Yes, he does! With a dipsy-do! On 8. Nakay Bon goes left. Bon with the swap move. Wala. And he was fouled. Oh, namumusta lang. Naku! Iniwan yung libre yun. Rebound ako ni Alvin. Alvin to Bri. Bri, Pumreno. Settle down. Sabi ni Coach Bri. Nakay Bri pa rin. To Alvin. Top of the key. Binigay agad kay Cray. Cray sa wing. Nakay Chris. Chris against John Ray. Against 2. 7 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Nakay Alvin. Alvin. What a pass by Alvin! Alvin with the assist. Bri with the cut. Bri with the score. 10-8. Lamang ang blue. Ito na si Bon. Babarewa na. Puntaw. Rebound ni Christian. Christian. Christian pa rin. Ayan na. Yung isang Chris naman. Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo sumalaksak. Oh! Init siya na lang. Foul daw. Na kay Cray. 10 seconds to shoot. Cray goes there. Cray, oh, kay Cray pa rin. Against 3. Nasa kay Chris. Chris, patented needy. Wala, rebound. John Ray. John Ray runs the floor. John Ray goes middle. He goes all the way. Oh, wala. Ako ni Alvin. Alvin. Ang bilis talaga ni Coach John Ray. Grabe yun. The steal. The defensive effort. The DPOY. Oh, meron din pang DPOY yung kabila.
Abang. Baba.
Nagpalitan ng steal mga kaibigan. Eto na si Castillo. Castillo. Sumalaksak sa loob. 12-8. Lamang na ang blue team.
Abat lang.
Next game. Check man. Eto pa. Ano? Brian with the rebound. Ay, sorry. May phone pala ako. Aya Joanna ang next jumps. Sorry, ang next score? Brian rebound lang. 10 seconds to shoot. Alvin, for 3. Bang! Shot by Alvin. Chris with the assist. Grabe ang blue team. They can take you inside, they can take you outside. Grabe.
Di-up tayo ha. Other side, Alvin, point me side.
Eto na si Bon. Bon up. Nice defense daw. Yan ay... 4, 3. What a pass by Big J! Uy, sayang! Eto na si Jay. Si rebound. Down to Jonas. Jonas, slow game. Wala. Rebound ako ni Chris.
Una.
Chris, nauna na si Christian. Christian umeke. Christian pa rin. Grabe. Hindi mo nakita.
Hindi ka, Brian. Hindi ka. Kala ko nakita na.
Good point. 15-8.
Walang hingi, walang bigay yun.
Good point din. Puntos. Kumuha ng bola. Chris against 3. Alvin. Christian. Grabe ang mid-range game ng blue team ngayon. Bumaga na. Straight from ulit. Mukhang anong tawag doon? Sa baba daw. 17-8 pa rin. Bon, slow game. Binitin. Nasa kajaw. Sablay. DJ. All ready to shoot. Naku, kinalog. Ang ring. Bibilis mo ba eh? Castillo. Bryce. All day, all night. Wala, rebound. Si Chris! Hindi na back si Chris. Put back and score by Boss Chris Castillo. Na hindi pa rin pawawis brother hanggang ngayon.
Sige lang, stay.
Eto na si Alan. Wala, rebound. Makukuha ni John Ray. John Ray, pinareset ni Bon, yes? 10 seconds to shoot. Eto na si Kapitan, dumating na rin. Ano nangyari? Good D daw, good D. Yun lamang.
Pwede na lang tayo, pre. Hindi tayo makashoot eh. Okay lang, hindi makashoot. Basta sige. Ay na, pre. Abot na.
May punto ka doon, Kap. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. Brian goes middle. Brian. Ganda naman ang pasa. Oy, sayang. Rebound by BJ. BJ. Outlet kay Bon. Bon sa kanan. Bon pa rin. Bon. Wala. Hop, tumawag. Oh, siya tumawag. Oras natin sa tunay na buhay, 8:27. Late tayo nag-start, kaya medyo naghahabol tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Bon goes baseline. Up. Good down. BJ. BJ. Bang. Out of the loose ball. Nakuha niya. Block. Yata. Oh. Hindi ko nakita kung sino nakablok. Pero BJ 2 points. Yes. 19-10. Ayan na, nag-set na sila ng man-to-man defense. Pressure pa sa frontcourt. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo. Binigay kay Christian. Christian, ako, nakaabot niya Alan yun. Block yun ba? Takbo! Lakad siya. Down to Bon. 2 points. Assist by Jao. Pumahabol ang puti.
Tulungan tayo. Sige, bola, sige. Space na, space.
Okay, shot clock ha. 15 seconds to shoot. Sige, sasabihin
Maluwag.
yung shot clock.
Bigyan niyo si Chris. Ano ba kayo dyan?
10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Up, tumawag. Nakay Cray. Cray goes right. Nakatagad ang lane niya. Up, Cray pa rin. Medyo nang gigil. 19-12. Lamang yung 19.
Bawi depensa.
3 minutes remaining. Ito na si Alan. Alan goes baseline. Alan. 2 points by Alan. 5 na lang po. Yes. 5 na lang. 19-14. Umahabol ang white team. Gumagamit ng konting oras ang blue team. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kaya Chris. Si Chris nagpo-point center na. Oh, nako. Sige, pwede yan. 4 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Wala. Makupunta kay Cray. Ang galing naman. Down there. Yes. Put back and 2 points. By Cray. Ito na siya.
Good job.
Daka Jonal. Jonal pa rin. Jonal to the 3. Short. Rebound. Naka Chris. Chris now hold the ball. 21-14. Medyo malaki na ang kalamangan. Naki Bray. Oh. Teka lang. Oh. Mga kaibigan, ingat po tayo. Last 2 minutes territory na. Oh, babalik tayo sa 40. Okay, 14 seconds. Stop time territory na, ha? Last 2 minutes na. Ito na. 8 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang galing naman, pumaulagan. Pero may isa na kayong intentional foul, ha? May isa kayong intentional foul. Blue team, ha? Intentional yun, ha? Isang intentional foul na lang kayo. In the last 2 minutes. Jonah. Jao with a 3. Wala. Rebound ako ni Cray. Cray pa rin. Hinawakan ng bola ng matagal. Cray goes to Alvin. Alvin goes right. May ipit sa baseline. Binigay ni Chris. 10 seconds to shoot. Maipit ang depensa. Dala-dalawa tumatawa kay Chris. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2, pinaul. Reach in yun, reach in. Sumundo. Okay, babalik tayo sa 14 seconds. Sa shot lang. Eto na, kumukuha isa. Kumukuha isa, 14 seconds. Nakay Chris agad. Sige naman ni Chris! Hindi kay John Ray kay Bon. John Ray kay Bon. Ano nangyari? Pinaul. Duty ano lang yan. Duty foul. So, hindi yun intentional foul. Within the flow of the game yun. 23-14 pa rin. PJ tumira 3. Pasok! Eto na, 23-17. The comeback Israel. Anim lang yun. Oh, inbound? Oo, okay po. Galing inbound. Pwede yun. It's counted as an assist. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Tinatao na ni John Ray si Chris. Oh, Chris, nakalusot si Chris. Oh, pinaw na. Wala. Free throw. Wala. Hindi intentional. 10 seconds sa shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2. Ganda naman ang ball handling. Yun lang nakuha ni Clay ulit. And Clay makes them pay. 25-17. Offensive rebound and putback by Boss Clay. Alan to Bon. Bon. Wala. Alvin with the rebound. And I think that might be it. What a gutsy performance by the blue team. By Team Maloy. Yes. Maloy. Good game, ladies and gentlemen. Wala pa lang. Good game, gentlemen. Ano ka rin best player? I see. Oh, Castillo.